I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email to be sent later in the Mail app on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
First up, open your Mail app and then tap the Compose button on the bottom right. Now compose your email, and when you're ready to send, instead of just tapping the send button on the top right, press and hold this blue arrow. Now you can either send now, send at the preset time that it gives you, which in this case is send at 9 p.m. tonight, or send later. If you click send later, then you will get a calendar with a particular time and you can schedule it for that particular time. So I'm going to set it to Thursday at 9 a.m. and then you can set it by time zone as well. If you're looking to set it based on somebody else's time zone and you want it to come into their inbox at, let's say, 8 a.m. Eastern time, you can set it for that as well. When you're ready, click done, and now your message is scheduled to be sent at that time that you set it for.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.